So I am, again, working with a client, trying to build a literacy program here in the school. So they have a library that is basically obsolete right now. They no longer have a librarian or a library program. So there are tons of books that have been purchased or even basically donated. So anybody that knows me knows that I am passionate about literacy and about students just reading for pleasure. The more they read, the more they build their schema or their background knowledge, and the more that they are going to build their vocabulary. So what I am doing is I am creating a leveled reading library. They have access to what is called Reading Counts. Reading Counts is a reading book database, somewhat similar to Accelerated Reader. And what happens is students can read a book, and for every book that is in the Reading Counts database, there is a quiz associated. So what I've been doing is pulling books from this library, salvaging books, searching for it in a program called the Book Wizard to see if there is a Reading Counts quiz associated with it. And I'm pulling it and finding the lexile of that book in order to add to my reading, to my leveled reading library. Stay tuned, I'll show you what my reading library looks like. So as you can see, I have taken the books that I was able to salvage out of the library and I have leveled them. I went to Book Expert. I searched by the title or the author, and I found the lexiles of the books, and I put them in order by lexiles. So if you have access to an accelerated reader or a program such as Reading Counts, these programs are awesome ways to just encourage reading. So students will read a book that is included in that database, or whether it is Accelerated Reader or Reading Counts, and then they will take a quiz for every book. There are points that are associated with that. When it comes to Reading Counts, there are reports and data that you can pull to let you know how your students are performing, as well as you can do a words read challenge. That words read challenge will tally the number of words that is in the book, and those students will those will be tabulated into their words read report. And I find that that is just an awesome way to get kids excited about reading, to inspire kids to compete, but also just give them that joy of reading and allowing them to self-select books.